का शौक था, उसे बचाना था। हमें मचने का शौक था, उसे मचाना चाहता था। जोड़ी क्या ही खतरनाक थी हमारी, क्या हमें नाचने का शौक था, हमें डूबने का शौक था, उसे बचाना था। हमें मचने का शौक था, उसे मचाना चाहता था। जोड़ी क्या ही खतरनाक थी हमारी, क्या हमें नाचने का शौक था, उसे नचाना चाहता था.
So very happy that India won against Australia. Initially, when Australia was batting and they got all out at 199, it was giving a feeler that it will be an easy win for India. But quite a little, surprised when we saw the first three batsmen getting out at zero score. But good. India has a very strong batting lineup, especially Virat Kohli and the King Kohli and KL Rahul helped us to give a good win for India. But one thing has to be noticed that even though the matches are walking, this is just one round is only over. India still at the fifth place only. New Zealand, South Africa, Pakistan, BD are in the top four. India is in fifth place only. But there are a lot of matches to come in, so nothing to worry as of now. If India performs like this, they will be easily qualify under four. Let's wait and watch.
Close, yes! A third one down, two in the over. Well kicked in the deep, but another 50. The master in the chase. A very good half century. Here prepared Rahul as well. And he's done that, but it's gone the distance. And it's a finish. Even Rahul is sitting down. He wanted to chip it over extra cover. One bounce for four. Instead it's six. Instead it's a win for India. And India taking 201 for four, winning by 6 wickets. And it's a finish. It's all happening in Chennai. It's a win for India. And they're off the mark in World Cup 2023.
On the teams, India seems to be coming up with the same side as they played against Australia. It's a 5-batter, 2 all-rounders, 6 bowlers and 2 wicket-keepers. A balanced team. And when it comes to Afghanistan, even they looks to be almost same as India's. They have 7 batters, 2 all-rounders, 4 bowlers and 2 wicket-keepers. We have seen many of the Afghanistan players participating IPL, including Rashid Khan. They have a good team. So let us watch. Please support me by subscribing to my channel and leave your comments. Thanks for the support so that I can upload more and more videos in the coming days. Thank you so much.